What's up guys? Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesdays. Hope everyone's doing alright. I unfortunately am starting this week off a little sick and I kind of feel like my chest is just being imploded like a million times. That was probably so dumb. So this tutorial is gonna be a little bit different. It's not anything tech related, it's not anything physical. This is all gonna be about how to break a creative block. And recently I was going through a creative block like 3 months, 4 months probably. I just had no desire to create anything, film anything, shoot photos. I had no desire to do anything and it sucked, you know, and I just didn't know what to do until I did 2 of these things that I'm about to tell you right now. The first thing is you guys have to go get one thing and one thing only, and it's a journal. And the 5th grade handwriting is not essential, but that's how I know it's mine with my horrible chicken scratch. Basically a journal, a diary, whatever you want to call it, notebook, whatever you want to call it, is very essential to getting back into your creative self. The way I did, I use this journal for anything and everything. I write down ideas, quotes. Here's my first page. A bunch of quotes that I have from a lot of people who inspired me to do more stuff. I also have, if anyone finds this, just because I think this is really valuable to me. Drawings, literally, you can use this thing for absolutely anything. And basically why this helped me get over my creative block is just because I was just kind of feeling down, not feeling like myself at all when I wasn't creating. I was sitting at a coffee shop where I work at, and I decided to just write down how I was feeling that day, which is something I've never done before. I wrote like a page and a half or 2. Like 2 pages, and I wrote down ideas. I just wrote down how I felt and how I felt stagnant and how I felt like a little piece of shit. Not doing anything with my life, not doing anything with videos, photos, or anything. I felt like I was conforming to regular life where I was gonna end up getting a 9-to-5 job someday, do that for the rest of my life, and then die. Sad. And after I wrote all that out, I reread it and it just really resonated with me that sucks. And I don't know what it is, but when I read that and wrote down how I felt, it really made me realize how much more I have to look forward to in life and how much I could be doing. As I was writing it, I just like started visualizing, like if I were to make like a little video of this, like a little film of how I was feeling. And as I was writing, it just inspired creativity as I was writing. So that's the first way of how I got back on my feet, was just writing down simply how I felt. And for my second way of breaking a creative block, one thing that I like to do is I like to go back and watch older videos of people who inspired me to create. Some people I like to watch is like content like Sam Colder, Rory Kramer, Peter McKinnon, Casey Neistat, photographer named Andrew Kearns, yeah, that's his last name. And then even just like some other people that I follow that I know locally here in Wisconsin. When I look at older content and people like who like really are passionate about what they're doing, it just inspires me to like think of ways like I could shoot something similar to theirs, but put my own spin on it. That's what I like to do, is I like to watch old content of people that inspire me. And those are the 2 ways that helped break my creativity block. If you guys are going through creative block, I recommend you try these and just, you know, take time to really think about why you aren't creating. Think about all the things you could be making if you weren't creating. It's better to have stuff where you attempted to shoot a video, attempted to shoot photos, attempted to do whatever is your creativity. It's better to do more of it than less of it, because you're gonna feel a lot better doing something than not. I know this was a little bit different kind of a Tutorial Tuesday, but I hope you guys enjoyed the different format or just the different content I gave you today. And I hope you guys learned something from it if you guys are in a creative block. And I'll see you in the next video, hopefully where I'm not sick. I hope you guys have a great week. Peace. Swag. Don't forget to have a lot of swag. Bye. Thumbnail. I like this one I did last week.